Hi, this is Pearson Education with Jay Jenkins, and I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade a student to a teaching assistant inside of your MyLab or MyStatLab course. So when you go into your account, you'll see the portal page, and you'll notice that there is a blue link that says Enrolled. And so we'll find an area where it says Enrolled, and so you'll notice once you click on your course, there's a student that's enrolled. So I'm going to go ahead and click Enrolled, and that roster will pop up. So when that roster pops up, you'll see the student that's listed there, and if you click on that student name or that role, you'll then see the ability to change the student into a teaching assistant. And you can click the X. From there, click Save. And then you can return to your course roster, close, and now if we reopen it, refresh our page, click the roster again, we'll notice it is now listed as a teaching assistant. And that's how you can upgrade your students to become teaching assistants. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.